Hi again, in this lecture I'll show you how to do math operations with numbers. So we're going to look at math operators. Let's go straight away and open a Python session and let me write a math expression there. 20 minus 10 divided by 5 times 3 in the power of 2. And what we get is 2.0. So why did I write this long expression? Well, because I want to explain to you the order of operators. So when you have multiple operators in an expression, the one to be executed first is the exponent. So we have 3 in power of 2 here, and that will give us 9. So power is the first to be executed, and after that is division and multiplication. Actually, division and multiplication are on the same level when talking about order, but the one that is first will be executed first. So in this case, division is the first one, so what will happen here is Python will ignore minus for now, so it will divide 10 by 5 and it will give 2, and then it will do 2 times 9. So again, 10 divided by 5, 2 times 9, 19. And then we have the rest of the operators, which could be a plus or minus. So in this case we have minus, and so 20 minus 18, we have 2.0. And so you'd ask why we have 2.0, because 10 divided by 5 gives 2.0. So division outputs a float in Python 3. If you are on Python 2, it would output an integer. Now, to make your expressions look better, you'd want to remove the spaces for the power operator, and also you do like that. So now you can read it better. So 2 times 9, and then 20 minus 18, and so on. You get the idea. You get 2.0 again. And now if you want to execute the minus operator first, you'd want to put that inside brackets. So why did we get 18? Well, because 20 minus 10 gives 10, and then 10 divided by 5 gives 2, and then 2 times 9 gives 18. That's the idea. And then you could also do this, put these in brackets, and what would happen here is, 10 here, 15 here, in the power of 2, so 15 in the power of 2, and then 10, so 10 divided by 15 in the power of 2. Let's see what we get. Yeah, we got that. So let's see if I was right. 15 in the power of 2, we get 225, and then we got 10 on the other side, so 10 divided by 225, we get that number. So whenever you want to change the order of operators, you should use brackets. So yeah, I hope you get the idea, and please try this out. So try to do a few operations with numbers to get used to it. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.